Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Kason. That is my 2014 Toyota Tacoma, and these are the MESO Customs dual color dome light. All right, this is the empty box. I've already installed the light into my truck. I couldn't wait. I'm super stoked about them. And in this video, we're going to talk about how the install went, talk about the dual color features, and why I'm so stoked to have them inside my truck. Let's jump into it. All right, so this is the MESO Customs dome light. The installation, let's touch on that really quick, was incredibly easy. As you can see in this overlay footage, I had my awesome helper with me. My son was helping me. It is as simple as replacing the bulb. As you can see on the back of the panel, you have the connector that goes into the old connection on the truck where the old bulb was. You can see all that was needed was the screwdriver, popping off the plastic panel from the old light, placing the new connection in, placing the new bulb connection in from the MESO Customs light, testing it out, make sure it works before placing the clips into their slots and high-fiving your helper from there. And of course, setting it to the door function so that when you open the door, you can enjoy that light flooding in. And that helps us segue into the features of this bad boy. As the name suggests, dual color, right? So that is one of the features. You have red, and then you have your super bright white LED, which is honestly incredibly bright. It floods the cabin here. I'm super excited to have this installed. Before, I had just an Amazon kit, you know, those cheap bulbs that you can buy and convert your old halogen bulb and go from that dim color to bright white LED, right? It was cheap, super simple mod, and I enjoyed it until it stopped working. This had stopped working for months, and now that these became available, I couldn't buy it fast enough, and I can't exaggerate how bright and how awesome this is. You got your white and your red. So cool, just a touch of a button and it's ready to rock and roll. And the fact that it just streamlines right into the computer, right into the functions that already existed with the OEM or even your aftermarket bulbs, you just open the door and it works, right? Sometimes that can be a struggle with aftermarket parts, working with the configurations and the functions of what is already programmed into your truck's computer. So very, very cool thing to have. I know it sounds kind of simple, but as you can tell, if you've been following along as well, red is sort of a theme with my truck. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my rock lights, forgot about those, and just kind of talk about that for a second. So, MESO Customs red dome light, MESO Customs red map light. We've got the red on the mic tuning switch panel. We've got the red VLEDs in the front and the back, and then we've got the rock lights, which can be any color, but of course we're going to choose red. So it's all just on theme with the color that's going on with my truck. I absolutely love it. We are flooded with red. Feels like we're driving in a tank. And if anything, it's kind of stealthy, right? Red is easy on the eyes. It's harder to pick up in the dead of night. So going into the mountains, enjoying hunting like I do, being stealthy with all red instead of shining the white LED and white color and color that's easy to pick up on the eyes. We are kitted out to be nice, stealthy red. I love it. It's so freaking cool, you guys. If you can't tell, I am super excited. This is so fun. I've touched on this before, but there's nothing like personalizing your truck and making it work for you. This might not work for some people out there, and that's totally okay. However, finding pieces of gear out there that work for the build that you're going for and that just add that level of fun to your project, truck, or whatever it may be is awesome. So fun. It makes it enjoyable, right? Instead of the hard, strenuous labor and mods that we can sometimes fall into. Something as small, simple, and easy and personalizing like this makes the world a difference. And I'm sure you can tell that's the situation for me. I'm not sponsored by these guys at all. I'll be sure to leave them linked down below. You guys can go check them out. But leave your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think of the rig? I'm sure I'll have some great B-roll at night to show off the color even more, but you can just imagine the camera doesn't do it justice completely. I mean, all the red is so fun. I love it. Lighting is so awesome, so fun. It's also utilitarian. I'll be able to see so much better in my cab. So going from a dome light that didn't work to one that works now, I'm so excited. That's just another plus. If you guys are also interested in all the other installs, all the other light fun stuff that I've done to my truck, hop down in the description, check out those other videos, support the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you for watching the channel, for being here, tuning in. You guys are so awesome. Consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one.